This is Andrew Sine, independent representative of Smart Media Technologies. What we have here in front of us is the income calculator. As you may know, toward the bottom of the income calculator, it says we strongly recommend you use the default settings before you even consider playing with any other calculations. Let's do that. Let's press calculate with the numbers they already have. What do we see? Well, the result is phenomenal. We see a total of $532,045 at the end of 1 year. That's quite significant. However, we'd like to change some of the numbers. We see here the beginning of the income calculator disclaimer, which says that it all depends on how much work you put into it, and there's no guarantee you're going to get any particular kind of income. So it's all up to you, in other words. Well, let's play with this. It says how many new product packages will you sell each month? And we're going to lower that to 1. And the average price, we're going to lower it to $125. How many new product packages will each of your existing reps sell each month? They're going to sell 1. It's going to be the $125. And remember, we only have 1 rep at the beginning, and then the second month 2, third month 3, and so on, because we sell 1 each month. These individuals down here in question 4, as it states, would sell the product packages for 4 months. Let's cut that to 2 months. And the number of months before these members are inactive, let's go again with 2 months. And now let's calculate. See, we've cut this quite a bit. We still see at the end of a year $21,280. That's still almost a couple $1,000s a month. 24,000 would be 2,000 a month. So again, going back, let's recall what we've gone through here. We've taken the amount of packages we would sell to only one each month, right? We've lowered it to $125 instead of the $400. We lowered this to 2. We lowered this to 2. We've cut everything in half, and we still come out with almost $2,000 a month. That is something to really stop and consider as a potential income with Smart Media Technologies. Now let's just make one small change. Let's change this to 400, the Super Rep. 3/4 of the people that join with this package instead of the 125. So let's just change that number and see what comes up. Suddenly it's 34,000, 35,000. 36,000 would be $3,000 a month, just with the changing of that one figure. I hope we get the idea here that this is an amazing opportunity if we just stop and consider what the potential is. Let's keep the number at 2, the number at 400, and let's just, the only thing we'll cut here is we'll say that the reps are only going to do this for 2 months, and they're also going to become inactive after 2 months, and see what we come up with. Wow, $172,000. So as you can see from this, it's very clear that making an income from Smart Media Technologies is something really worth considering, and I hope you take a moment to play with this income calculator on your own and see what you could possibly do and end up with. Again, this is Andrew Sine, independent representative with Smart Media Technologies. Have a good day.